All right, I'm home now, back from a 4.5 hour live stream, and I was talking about how you can warm up pizza as an example, because I've given up my microwave. I don't use microwave anymore due to lack of counter space in the small kitchen. So I do love my toaster oven, and it broke or stopped working between the holidays. I do have a second one somewhere in my storage room. I haven't got around to digging it out, but in the meantime, I'm still warming up food. So I got this pizza from Loblaws. Frying pan. I am going to turn on the burner. Okay. Really low heat. Okay, gonna start like warming up slowly, and then increasing the heat after a few minutes. All right, so the pepperoni, pineapple, well, like a Hawaiian pizza. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one-handed here. Just get it out. Take parchment paper. Okay, so pretty much that's it. You're gonna put it in the frying pan, as low heat as possible, and then increase the heat after. And then you should put a lid over it to, to hold in the heat as well. So, all right. So I didn't time it. I just kind of winged it the other night. When did I pick this up? Yesterday, maybe, or something like that. Yeah. So, and it worked out fine. It was piping hot. So right now it's between 3 and 4 on the dial there. And of course, keep an eye on it. So I did set the timer for 5 minutes. It might take a little longer than usual, but I'd rather do it this way, or toaster oven way, than my microwave, because warming up a pizza in a microwave makes it soggy. This will warm up the bottom, keep it crisp, as well as if I had my toaster oven. So I just want to share another way of warming up food. I actually, since my toaster oven broke as well, I couldn't warm up my rice with the lapchang. So I did it in the frying pan. And actually it was better, because then I like it crispy. I like to actually crisp up my rice for the leftover. It has a nice texture and taste to it. Okay, I can even feel the heat coming through the lid. So the pan is warming up nicely. Getting there. I probably increase the heat to medium now. And keep an eye on it. All right, the first 5 minutes is up. I reset it for another 5 minutes. It could be less now that I increased the heat, but it should be fine. Another way of warming up your pizza. All right, 5 minutes is about up, and it looks like it's warming up nicely. I think a few more minutes. Maybe it's done. Okay, let's check it out. One moment. Yeah, I can see the steam. A little bit sizzling a bit there. All right, that was the timer. So 10 minutes in total. I think that'll do. So that's how you warm up a pizza. It's hot. If you want to warm it up more, you can. Close the lid and but I think it's pretty good. It didn't even burn, that's the thing. So low, start low and go a little bit high. The most is the medium. Okay, so I started between 3 and 4. And then after 5 minutes on that, then increase the heat to medium, another 5 minutes. And that's how you warm up your pizza without using a microwave or a toaster oven.